Hey everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're making something super simple, healthy, and oh so comforting spinach and red lentil soup, served with steamed rice. It's wholesome, packed with nutrients, and perfect for those cozy days when you just want a warm hug in a bowl. Here's what we'll need. Fresh spinach washed and chopped. Red lentils, onions, turmeric, coriander, red chili powder, ginger and garlic, and of course, some salt to taste. Let's start by heating a little oil in a pressure cooker. Add the sliced onions and saute until they're golden brown and smelling amazing. Now, in go the lentils. Fresh spinach, turmeric, coriander powder, red chili powder, and salt. Give everything a good stir so the spices coat the lentils and spinach beautifully. Add enough water to make it soupy. I like it slightly thick but still. Close the lid and pressure cook for about 2. This softens the lentils and lets all. While that's cooking, I've got my steamed. Now, just open the cooker. Give this look at that rich golden color with. Serve the hot, soupy spinach and red lentil. It's creamy, comforting, and let me know in the comments. You in the next. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick,